Hey guys! How's it going? My name is Xavie-SanVOD, and today I will be teaching you how to do a girl voice. Alright, so first things first is I will be teaching you how I transfer from a guy voice to a girl voice. Usually what I do is I count from 1, and as the number gets higher, so does my pitch. So I'll finally hit the desired voice. Okay, I'll show you how to do it. It goes something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that's basically it. So next is I shall be teaching you 3 important factors in maintaining a girl voice. Now, before I go through with this, I just need to let you guys be aware that I am not a pro at this. Again, I'm not a pro at this. And anything I'll be teaching you now, I'm still learning myself. So yeah, that's something you need to put in mind. Anyway, 3 important factors in maintaining a girl voice. 1 is pitch, the other is tone, and the third is consistency. Now the pitch is the quality of the sound that, the vibration of your voice produces. It goes from high to low. And for a guy to do a girl voice, you need to heighten your pitch. That's why in the beginning, how I transfer from girl voice to guy voice, I said my pitch gets higher. So this is something I haven't actually got practice with. So basically, I can only do a lowly voice and nothing else.
I'm really not good at this. Hold on. I'm really not good at this, or even just maintaining a girl voice. So basically, this is pretty hard to do. And so yeah, that's pitch. The second one is tone, and that's the general characteristics or attitude of your voice. And there's 2 categories of tone, 2 categories of female voice tones. It's in the opposite side. At one side you have
the ara voice, and in the other you have the
Onita.
Yeah. I can't do the ara voice because, like I said, I've still been practicing to do a girl voice. So I can only do the
Onita
voice consistently. Consistently. I can only do the Oni-chan voice consistently, not the ara one. I can't even do an ara voice. Anyways, the third and the last one is consistency, which is how well you can maintain your girl voice. Now this is the hardest part, because even though I can already do a girl voice, I really can't maintain it. So it's basically like,
Hello everyone, my name is Sandra Angela, and today I'll be teaching you how to do a girl voice. And today,
so it's basically like that. It's hard to maintain. So basically, if I do a girl voice, you will hear cracks in my voice, and that's because I am trying so hard to maintain it. Alright, let's move on. Oh wait, that's the end of our lesson. So basically, since that's the end of our lesson, let's move on to something else. So in Facebook, in my private Facebook, I actually posted to ask my friends, what do you want me to say in a girl voice? And I'm gonna read what the comments say. I'm gonna read what the comments say in a girl voice, but before that happens, I have to dress the part, right? I mean, this character is still a guy, so let's dress the part and talk the part too.
Hey guys, my name is Sandra Angela, and today we will be reading the comments on what my friends would want me to say in a girl voice. First comment is from Aya, and she said this. Alright. Ogenki desu ka? Ogenki desu ka? Next is from Michaela, and she wanted me to say this. Baka! Alright, next is from Yuna, and ooh, she wanted me to say this. This is usually what you hear in hentai. Dame! Ichou! Alright, next is from Anna, and she wanted me to say this. Okay. Okay, you definitely sent me some stuff. Thanks, guys. Alright. Motto, kimochi, iku. Next is from Mel, which you want me to. Okay. Alright, guys. You definitely want me to say stuff in a horny voice, and that's cool. Alright, fine. I'll say it. Yamete kudasai. Alright, next is from Crystalline, and she wanted me to say this. Finally, a normal one. Wait, hold up. Konnichiwa, hajimemashite. Alright, next is from my friend. She doesn't want me to say her name, so I'll just say this. Isatsu shite. Next is from my friend Siv, and he wanted me to. You son of a. Alright, you want? You think I won't say this? I'll say it. No, I'll say it. This is the scene from that Fullmetal Alchemist. Yeah, and this is where those two have the same name and all. Right? I'll say it. I'm gonna screw this up or whatever. 1, 2, 3はい19万国の手裏剣カイジャリ水魚の水魚松売松触れ松くんねるところに住むところやぶらこじのぶらこじバイボのシュリンガンのグリンダイのポンポコナのチョキュメのチョスケサクヌフはいI'm done. Alright, next is from my friend Fred, and he wanted me to say this. You f***ing lolicon. Whatever, I'll say it for you. Hi. And that's basically it. But before we go, I have one more. This is what I've always wanted to say, so I hope you're prepared. 1、2、3おかえりなさい、お兄ちゃん。ご飯食べる？お風呂にする？それとも、わたし。And that's about it for today. I hope you enjoyed, and maybe in the next video, you can comment down below what you want me to do in the next video, and I'll try to definitely do it. Like I said, I am not good in doing a girl voice, so sometimes you hear me cracking or me losing my voice from here and there. And trust me, I am still practicing, and I hope you'll watch me in the future in some time where I can finally do a girl voice properly.
Alright, back to my guy form. Blah, blah, blah. And yeah, that's all the time we have for today. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. I've been holding making this video for a while now. I've just been so busy with life in general. I've been so tired and exhausted, so I haven't even been making videos lately. I mean, like, this has been the first in a long while. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it, because I enjoy making these. And yeah, that's about it. Anyways, I'll see you in the next one. Maybe I'll start gaming again, but hell, I don't know what games I want to play again, because I've been busy and all, but I'll try. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.